I see you guys in the comments. Think I'm losing my mind. But today we're gonna do a normal reacting to satisfying to show you I'm not losing my mind. Here's a video of somebody painting without putting tape on the corners. Oh, he's so good he can do it without tape. Is this real? What? I didn't know this was a thing. No. How do you get that good at something? Here's a power washer stripping all the paint from a car. Holy crap! It's just stripping all the paint away that fast? Oh, that is pretty satisfying. It's like instant. What? But why are they doing it? That's the real question. Radial saw is the best option to cut a circle and tile. Oh, really? Instead of a circle saw? Well, maybe if you're this person. Whoa. I'm satisfied. That looked pretty perfect to me. It's really easy to lay artificial grass for yourself as long as you take time and do care. What? What the heck? What are they doing? Oh, that grass looked so real. I didn't realize it was fake, but what are they? Why did they cut a hole in it? Oh, they're putting a different color. They're decorating. Oh, that's such a good idea. If you had fake grass, you could just put decorations in it with different colors. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa. Wait, what? Shearing sheep. Yeah, that's pretty satisfying. That sheep, wow, dirty, man. Looks like he has not been shaved in a while. Yeah, much better. What? Anyways, back to the satisfying videos. No conspiracies here. Just good old-fashioned content. What are they doing? A Tesla hood? They're not wrapping it, it's clear. What are they doing? A wet wrap? It's clear, though. Why do you... Oh, that looked pretty cool. Epoxy flooring. Whoa, it does look like whatever, marble. That looks awesome. I can't read all that text. Kind of don't like this. It's not satisfying because you have to read to see what's going on. I just want to watch. Yeah, you know what? I can't do this with the text on screen. It's totally ruining it for me. I'm gonna like zoom in. It's driving me crazy. That's better. No reading required. All right, so we're just twisting some hot metal here. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Oh, that's really cool, actually. What are we doing here? Just stamping things. Okay, I kind of want to know what we're doing there, but I don't want to pause it for you. We're tiling a bathtub. This looks like a bathtub. That's pretty cool. Very efficient. Oh, the edge piece. Oh, that's how they do it. Nice. Oh, a little shelf. Oh, they're putting a little shelf in there. That is pretty satisfying. Kind of. I have mixed feelings. I used to do flooring for a living, and I didn't like it. So whenever I see people installing like tile and carpet and stuff, I'm just like, it makes my knees hurt thinking about it. I know this is not on the floor, but still. Looks nice. Very cool. Oh, what? No way. They put lights in it? Oh, okay. All right. Dang, man. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, up here. The face tracker lost track of me because I walked away. Ow. Oh. Are we still recording? I just touched the stream deck and it zapped me. I guess I had static from walking across the carpet just now and the whole stream deck just went blank and my screen went blank. I just made the whole computer short out. What the heck is going on? That was weird. So anyways, back to this. Oh, I've done that before. I used to do that for a living too. Not fun. Yeah, you had to like wear that heavy duty mask and stuff and a huge ordeal. It was a lot of work maintaining the equipment too. So it was never that easy. I was always like in tight attics or crawling underneath trailers and doing it. It was terrible. Crawling through people's crawl spaces, spraying it. Why do I always have crappy jobs? What do we got here? More fake grass? Yeah. Okay. How's this work? Are they gluing it? They probably are. Oh. Like a football field with the line on? Oh, that's so cool. Man, that would be like a little bit difficult.
While we're on the topic of satisfying things, look at this video Cameron sent in while wearing my merch. I'll put a link in the description to Cameron's Instagram and YouTube channels. There is a bunch more awesome cup stacking videos just like that.
585.4.
Thank you for getting my merch during the Black Friday sale. And that cup stacking is awesome. If any of you want some of my merch as well, there's a link for that in the description too. Back to the video.
What are we doing here? Cutting up a little piece of leather, chopping it up, sanding it, smoothing the edges. Oh, nice. Smoothing it. Is that a stamp? Yep. Oh, I know what we're making. I bet they're making a wallet. Glue. Yep. Oh, you round out the edges. Okay. Wow, this is a lot of work. Oh. Whoa, how are they doing that? They're scraping and sewing, and they sand it down. I bet they're gonna more scraping and more sanding and rounding. Yep, just doing the edges. Boom. That's a pretty cool little wallet. That took a lot of work though. Man, it was handmade, but it looks perfect. The next video I post is going to be another crazy one. I just needed a break from running around the city getting footage, which by the way, I've still been uploading to my reaction channel. I posted a video actually yesterday reacting to whatever this is up here. I'm cutting up some metal here. All right. I have a pair of those cutter things. They're awesome. You can cut through so much stuff with them. Ooh, what's that? Oh, they're taking off the horse's shoe. What? Oh, I've never seen that be done before. And then they're cleaning the hoof. I have cleaned horse hooves before. Scraping. Oh, they're clipping his toenails. Peeling off whatever that is. Whoa, whoa. It's so crazy. The horse is just like letting it happen. Whatever. That is a huge, look at that thing they're sanding it. What's that called? The thing you do with your finger? I don't know. It's like this big. You ever worked with horses before? Rode a horse? Taken care of a horse? Anything like that? Small grass mower is a perfect option for this small patch of lawn. Wait, that's all you got to, that's your whole yard? Oh, you probably have the yard behind it. You just don't want to use your normal mower. That was pretty cool how he did the corners. I guess that would be handy. But I mean, it's kind of just like a weed eater. Actually, the exact, isn't it? Yeah, it's basically a weed eater, except with like a saw blade on it. Is what it looks like. And then use a leaf blower to blow it through. That's just normal lawn care. There's nothing. I mean, I guess he's doing a good job. Okay, I'll give you that. Good job. Nicely done. It does look good. What do we got here? Some trim. Oh, careful. That was real close to your thumb. Dude, made me shudder. I know way too many guys with 4 fingers or 3 fingers. Cutting the corner. Dang, that would be so hard to cut perfectly like that because it's curved. Like my brain doesn't comprehend curves and corners and stuff like that very well. I would not be able to do that. Whoa. If I did it, it would not fit together at all. Trust me. What do we got here? Swimming pool. Oh, they're putting plaster on it. Okay, that's cool. And then they're smoothing it down. I don't really know how they make swimming pools. How are you going to get out at the end? Are you going to be stuck in there? Are they going to be stuck in there? How do they get out? They are. They're cornering themselves. Now they're oh, they're just walking on it. Okay. It's fine to walk on. Okay. What is this? Oh, look at all that mud in there. Oh. Oh, no. No. Oh. Oh. Too much. Oh. Are those sticks? How did it get plugged up that bad? There we go. Look at that water running. Oh, that was disgusting. I used to hate cleaning out the gutter back when I had to help my parents take care of their house when I lived close enough to help before I ran away. What's this? A tube of some type? Green substance in it? Looks like foam. What the heck? Huh? What are we looking at? I have to go back and read because I'm curious. I still don't understand what they're doing, but it looks like they know what they're doing, so I'll just leave them to it. Who knew satisfying videos could be so stressful? What is this? I like it. Oh. Building a brick wall. Very cool. Oh, nice. Is that how you do it? I've never built a brick wall. Cool. Yeah, this person's smooth. They know what they're doing. Had the motion down pat. If you like this video, you'll probably love this video right here. And if you're interested in my reaction channel, then click here. I post way more reaction videos over there than I do on this channel. Which clip was your favorite? I think mine was the car that was, the paint was getting stripped off by a power washer. That was pretty cool. But leave a comment and let me know what you think. Make sure you hit the like button. It helps my channel out a lot. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.